Galatan Boy, full storage map.
Okay, pangalaman po natin ang ating friends.
And that you will love, honor, and cherish her as long as you both shall live?
Yes, President.
Thank you. Sheila May Acoba Lupinta, do you receive Rodel Hilario Bautista as your lawfully wedded husband, and do you of your own free will and choice solemnly promise as his companion and lawfully wedded wife that you will give unto him and none else, that you will observe all the laws, responsibilities, and obligations pertaining to the holy state of matrimony, and that you will love, honor, and cherish him as long as you both shall live?
Yes, President.
Okay, thank you.
Masagsagan.
Okay, so dahil kayo ay kasal na, so yun yung pinaka-exciting moment. You may now kiss the bride.
Nala!
Ayan na, okay, ready na ba? Okay. Sige, okay. Ready? Siguro medyo takalan natin kasi andyan yung mga ano niya. Okay, ready? 1, 2, go!
Nala!
Oh,
Gusto na, ne? Damdaman to.
talagang sinulit din nyo ah.
Dapat damdaman.
Yes. Okay, so maraming salamat po sa mga witnesses. Pwede na po tayo umupo po. Okay, so
Ibrahim Doctor, Amsel.